And just walk around down there before we go to the beach later on this afternoon. So I'm gonna be back once we get downtown. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Sean. Hey guys, so I'm in downtown Los Angeles and I'm about to actually stop in at Planet Rhinestone and then Axiland Rhinestone. So Planet Rhinestone is just ahead over here on the left and Axiland is across the street. So I'm gonna make sure it's okay that I record in there, and I'll show you guys some of the products that they have, and then I'm also gonna buy some things while I'm down here as well. And then from there I'm gonna just kind of walk around downtown Los Angeles before we go to get something to eat, then go to the beach. Excuse me. So this is Planet Rhinestone. They have a little bit of everything in here. Ooh, these are the stones that I need right here. So they have this whole wall of rhinestones. These are cute. I think I'm gonna have to get some of these and try these out. These are really cute. So I'm gonna walk you guys around through the store and then I'm gonna grab my stuff. Alright, so here's some more of their stones. They also have like the jelly, the resin, like all along the wall. They have some of the neon stones. They also sell vinyl. They have rhinestone transfers. Look at all the bling in here. I love this store. So this is the entire wall of, these are more the resin, the jelly stones. The other wall I just showed you guys, that is the glass. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty right there. Look at that. And then here's some vinyl that they have. I have purchased vinyl from them and it works really, really good. And it's very inexpensive here. Alright, so we just left Planet Rhinestone. I got a few bags of rhinestones, but I did get a bulk bag of the transparent glass stones. And they do have a wholesale program, so you will get a discount off your order if you're signed up for the wholesale program, whether you come into the store or if you order online. But now we're heading down to Axiland to check them out. All right, so this is Axiland downtown. And this is where I love to get my hot fix rhinestones from. As you see, they have a huge variety. These are their pro bags. And they also have vinyl, excuse me, as well. They have some very, very nice transfers here. They have vinyl, HTV, they have the puff vinyl, foil, and this is their wall of transfers here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm looking at their wall of transfers. They have some that I like this Medusa. I'm gonna get that. That is $12. And hubby's down there grabbing stuff too. Oh, that one's nice too. I don't know. Yeah, I'll stick with that one. That was kind of nice. All right, let me go back to the rhinestones. These are the non-hot fix stones, and these are the pro bags. So these are the larger bags. They do have some smaller bags as well. And they have the strings, the drawstrings. And if you get 12, they'll be $5 each. Otherwise, they're $7. And they do have some iron-on patches. And now they sell heat presses as well. So I was just talking with the manager, and she was letting me know that if you're Axiland member, one of their rewards member program, you actually get a discount. And if you needed to buy more than, or at least 6, you would get additional 10% off. So you can get basically 20% off of 6 bags of the same color, or 10% off your order if you're a member. So definitely sign up for their membership so you can save a little bit. Oh my goodness, look at all these. This is what I've gotten so far, and I'm not done yet. All right, so this is the damage. It wasn't too bad, but I got a lot for, and plus my little discount right there. So not too bad. So now we're just walking around. Gotta find Charlie a belt because he left his belt back in Vegas. So we're gonna walk down here and try and find him a belt, and then I'm gonna go get something to eat and head to the beach. All right, guys, so I got everything I needed. We finally got Charlie a belt, so his pants stopped falling down, and we are headed back to the car. All right, so besides Axiland Rhinestone and Rhinestone, Planet Rhinestone, there's a few other more rhinestone shops down on this street. There is one shop that has crystal rhinestones, very pricey but very beautiful stones. And there's also some other rhinestone vendors in the downtown area, but you have to have a seller's permit or show them your permit, and then they'll allow you to come in and shop. So Axiland and Planet Rhinestone, you don't need to have a seller's permit. You could just buy from them, but there are some that sell wholesale that you do need to have those documents for. But yep, this is downtown LA, and we're heading back to the car now. I'm tired. This bag is heavy. And yeah, I'm ready to eat.